What's up, guys? I just recorded the whole tutorial and I found out my mic was off. So this is the second version. Okay, let's start with the intro or the tuning first. Capo on 5, but if you're tuning it open, C, G, C, G, G, C. Okay, C, G, C, G, G, C. Capo 5, so we're in the key of F. But we're going to give you all the chords relative to the capo. Okay, so first picking pattern is down like this, down, 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 from the D string. Okay, and then we just go down in thirds, minor thirds, and then. That last one, you lift up the index finger. Okay, and remember to keep your index finger on the string and slide it down. Just don't lift up the index finger ever. Okay, that picking pattern slowly goes like this. I just did it wrong there the last time, but keep looking at the video. So and the chord shape is just like so. Alright, everything else open. It works as a B minor, and then take that finger down for the next chord, same picking pattern. Last one, that last transition picking pattern that Ben Howard does in a lot of his songs, goes like this. Cool, so that's a transition picking pattern. Remember, that is the transition picking pattern. That's what he does. You need to learn that. Okay, that gives you that nice Ben Howard sound. All right. So then in the verse, he does this. Okay. Let's just do it slowly. Okay, and then the B minor. Now the B minor looks different this time. It's not there, it's there with the ring finger. And the picking also looks different. The picking looks like this. Down. Okay, that last one was wrong of mine, but you probably noticed that. Okay, and then with the A then looks like this. It's a 1/3 or a 5/7 if you want to call it that. So A/C sharp, and it goes like this, same picking pattern. You can also sometimes put in the transition picking pattern. Sorry. So you get the idea that transition pattern really makes it shine. Transition pattern. Okay. Then we go to the chorus. Okay. And we stood steady as the stars in the wood, so happy heart in the warmth and true inside these bones. This is a D, A/C#. The old pine fell. Mute the top string. Old pine fell. We sing. Also mute the top string. This is also an A. And then we go to the bridge section, which goes like this. All the fingers there together. You see that? It sounds crap, but you're gonna slide it up. It's gonna be like, oh wow. And then take everything up one, and then all the way to the 14th fret. So like this, 1, 2, 3, slowly. Or what he actually does is, instead of going da 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 da, he does da 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 da. I just did is like a strum version of the riff. That's just an A. I'm just muting the top string, but you can mute it with your thumb as well. Some cool chords here. D. Careful to press too hard, otherwise you get that false sound. Anyway guys, see you, and we're gonna have another nice lesson pretty soon. Enjoy it. Cheers guys. Let's click stop. Whoa. Wait, call you back.